weather? Do you think the weather
Yeah, is going to get worse in the future.
gets
Worse.
worse?
Cái từ dạng so sánh hai của từ bad á.
Ah,
Yeah.
um, so let me see. If you to, if you, I think I still go to school because tomorrow I have a test and I will bring umbrella and raincoat and I prepare everything after I go out.
Okay. Cái câu hỏi của tôi là bạn nghĩ sao về việc liệu bạn có nghĩ rằng là thời tiết có xấu đi trong tương lai không ạ? Đó. Ví dụ như là thời tiết liệu có xấu đi không thì mình có thể trả lời như kiểu là like me, I can answer like I think this will get worse because it is affected by global warming and climate change. Thì mình có thể trả lời hả? Tôi nghĩ là có trở nên tồi tệ hơn bởi vì là nó đang bị ảnh hưởng bởi nóng lên toàn cầu với lại climate change là thay đổi khí hậu á. Okay, so next question. So if the weather is cold, do you think what should we do to always stay healthy?
Yeah, I think now you should prepare everything for yourself. Yeah, for yourself because you can sick every time. Yeah, and I think you go to the hometown, to the city to the city studies university, and you don't parents take care. You should take care yourself.
Yeah. So could you suggest some activities that we can do to stay healthy, like to get in shape?
Yeah.
You know, because in the winter weather, people is quite lazy, right? Yeah, could you give me some advice? Like about hitting a gym?
Yeah, gym. But I because gym I must don't go out, and I go home. I go home 40 days.